Hello and welcome to the event. In this video, we are going to cover up the topic how to set up the ChatGPT account in your PCs or whether you are using on the practice based or in the web based platforms. So whether you are a student or a professional or just someone who is interested in learning more about the ChatGPT, this video will provide you the basic knowledge and skills for the basic steps you are needed to try to excel this software. So my name is Blan and I will be your instructor for this tutorial. I have a qualification and expertise, especially in this AI based models. I will guide you through the learning process and help you gain the deep understanding. Regarding, I have just covering up the section of ChatGPT in the term of education, not as a script writing or the one which will the other which is you can say something like a coding, maybe as a script language of a different platforms or different chatbots like the Python language R and the JavaScripts. Throughout the video, we will cover how to set up them, and there's two versions available. The one is the premium and the second is the free one. If you are asking me which one is the best one, if you are a beginner or you are just someone who can hear this for the first time, then I would prefer you. You just try it, and then if you find it useful, then go for premium one. And the key difference, the free one and the premium one, is the response time and the release date. Or maybe in the coming weeks or maybe in the coming updates, they will suspend it, or maybe somehow they will limit the response for the free one. And the same goes for ChatGPT 4. The recent update had limited, I think, about 25 responses for around 2.5 hours or maybe 3 hours. So there's a limit of a response for a ChatGPT. So the basic steps which are involving you. So if we are using it on a web browser, so the mostly user of a ChatGPT is currently on a web browser, but as the time goes on, so they are on the PC base, which is only command prompt or maybe JSON. But the most convenient which is I would like to use is on a web browser, and especially on the Google Chrome, or rather you are using on the Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft. So to use the ChatGPT online on the Google, you can use the OpenAI platform, which is a web-based interface for the interaction of a ChatGPT 3 and 3.5. So you just need to open your Google Chrome and go to the OpenAI websites, and here's the link. So you just need to open a Google Chrome and the OpenAI website and just sign in here. Just learn more about the ChatGPT 4 and then just sign in. Then once you have signed in, you can start the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a simple text base. Once I have signed in, there's a sign in. So after signing, you just get the interface, something like that. So you just need to generate a command, whether, for example, I'm using how do I make HTML command in the JavaScript. So I'm just writing down the command for example, then it will generate the responses according to my given command. So it can generate some sort of code, some sort of prompt code, script, but I'm not focusing on that area. I'm just focusing on a simple script based or a simple language tutorial that are helpful for the educational purposes. So we will cover this from the next.